Okay. Hi, I'm Orey. I'm the studio producer in the Ohio office. My day-to-day basically involves coordinating all the large projects in studio, including unboxings like this one. I am a fly-by-the-seat-of-my-pants shopper. I'll get distracted and I'll buy things that I don't need and I've never thought about needing, and then suddenly it's in my cart. So that's what happens. I don't even know where to start. So we're gonna start with these shoes. Shoes are something I always feel comfortable just buying because you always need shoes. Am I wrong? Like there's some things where you're like, wow, I really don't need like a 12-piece dishware set today. But like shoes, you always need shoes. They're like food and water. Plus, like, look how cool these are. These are pretty casual boots. They're faux leather, but they look like real leather, which is nice. They kind of have like a distressed look to them, so if I beat them up, I won't feel bad about it. They also have this cool like interior fabric that I like. It's nice. It's got some cool stuff going on. I could wear these with jeans, or it'll just be jeans. That's all I ever wear. Okay. These are a little nicer. These are some like casual, like kind of burgundy shoes. So just some casual sneakers. I really like the color for these. I just don't really have any shoes this color. And so I thought it would be something a little bit different because everything I own is kind of just like plain neutrals. So this makes it look like I'm trying when I'm not. If I buy the ones with like white soles, they get really dirty really fast. It's nice to have things that are pretty durable and will stay clean looking even if they aren't clean. But they were both under 20 for sure, which is really nice. And they were both ready to ship, so they got here really quickly, which was nice. Let's do... It's summertime, and my comforter that I have is like a winter comforter. And so I wanted something that'd be a little bit lighter than the one I have currently on my bed because I like my room to be like icy, like tundra. And then I just have a bazillion blankets that I can like nest in like a small rodent. And so I needed like a nice light comforter to do that. It's soft, it's plain neutral, and my whole room is gray. So, gray. I will like fully burrito myself. Also, this is not important to this video, but did you guys see that they had burrito blankets on the site today? They're like blankets, they're like blankets that make you look like a tortilla. Yeah, and I'm like, I never knew I wanted to eat a burrito dressed as a burrito before today, but now that I know it, I know, I'm like, oh my God, I could be a boy-rito. And like, I know! Just a couple things left. So something I don't really buy on the site very often is clothing, just because I'm one of the many masses who is afraid that it just won't fit or I'll look like a potato when I get here. It's very summery, which is nice. Actually has color on it, which is unlike me, so I'm really branching out. It's gray, but there's like stuff on it, so it's not gray. So it's got cactuses, little desert mountains, and little ball cactuses. Yeah, summer shirt. But yeah, it's super cute. It's gray plus, just slightly more interesting than gray. I saw this on the site and freaked out a little bit. And no one else thinks it's cute, but I am committed to it. And I have been waiting very patiently for this video to be done so I can put it on my desk. This is not meant for desks, I also want to say. This is meant to be like a kitchen accessory, but I thought it was too cute to not be near me all the time. He's so happy! Okay, so this thing is supposed to be for on your kitchen sink to put like your little like scrubbies in. He just has such the biggest smile and I just wanted him near me all the time. So I'm gonna put him on my desk, probably put my car keys in his mouth or maybe some small chocolates or something. I'm going to keep him near me always, and anytime that I'm at the office and I'm stressed, dealing with a busy schedule, whatever, I can just look at this little guy and just maniacally laugh. Thanks so much for unboxing with me and my new son. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. That way we know every time we post a new video. He doesn't have a name. If anyone has a good idea for the name for my new son, put it in the comments. He's a Gemini. He likes long squishes on the beach. His favorite food is He's vegetarian apparently, so he's looking for a name, and I need to know what to call him when I hold him close.